Hare Krishna. Have you ever wanted to help make a difference in the world? But it seems such an overwhelming task, huge. You don't know where to start, and you don't have the skills and the resources to do everything that's needed to do, and it just gets put to the side. Have you ever had that experience? I have. So the alternative is to be part of a team or a group, and in this very short video, I want to suggest how we can do that. My Guru Maharaj, Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj, Srila Prabhupada, established ISKCON in 1966. And at that time, he put forward 7 purposes of ISKCON. The first purpose is to propagate spiritual education to people at large and educate people in spiritual techniques to check the imbalance of values and to introduce peace and unity. Now that purpose doesn't actually talk about Krishna, and the programs that Srila Prabhupada especially emphasized, especially at the end of his stay with us, 1977, was scientific preaching and Varnashram Dharma. Scientific preaching, he wrote in one letter, you just show Achincha Shakti, inconceivable potency, and prove that the Absolute is a person, and then our movement is a great success. Nothing about Krishna. And then about Varnashram Dharma, he said, a person can't practice Krishna consciousness if his mind is unsteady. And here's the process to help his mind become steady, Varnashram Dharma. So the first purpose doesn't necessarily speak specifically about Krishna, but it puts forward basic spiritual principles, basic practical principles to help people on their path to Krishna consciousness. And then the second purpose he put forward is to propagate a consciousness of Krishna as he's revealed in Bhagavad Gita and Srimad Bhagavatam. So that's explicit Krishna consciousness, preaching explicit Krishna consciousness. And the first purpose is the lead up for those who need it, which is a lot, because a lot of people are afraid of religion, and they may not be very impressed by the Hare Krishnas as well. So it pays to come in gradually. For some people, both programs can go on. Explicit preaching of Krishna consciousness is so essential. And at the same time, this gradual method is also so essential. So there's a proposal to start a first purpose action group starting on Akshaya Tritiya this year. So the purpose of the group is to help people to get education and training in basic spiritual principles, basic Vedic principles, which can actually help them to come to Krishna consciousness if that's the way that they're going to go. But in any case, their life is going to be improved and society as a whole will be improved. We already have several experienced devotees who are committed to taking part in the project. So come and be part of the team. There is such a variety of activities needed. Speaking, video editing, filming, lighting, internet marketing, advertising, animation, graphic design, website design, training and education, drama, music, writing, just the list goes on and on and on. If you're interested to actually take part in the action group, means act as part of the action group, please get in touch. There's a link here, you click the link and we get in touch, or you can just like the video or put a comment and we'll get in touch straight away. Thanks so much for watching. Hare Krishna.